Welcome to my page. My name is Momba. I'm a tutor of maths and physics. In today's video, I'll be answering a physics question under temperature, and the question reads: the liquids in 5 liquid ingress thermometers A, B, C, D, and E expand linearly with temperature. All the thermometers have scales marked in degrees Celsius. Figures below accurately represents the scales of these 5 thermometers. So these are the 5 thermometers given. Each of the thermometer have a different range. What I mean by range, the maximum temperature and the minimum temperature each thermometer can measure. The first question says, define temperature. So temperature by definition, this is the measure of degree of the hotness or coldness of a body. So I'll say temperature is the measure of degree of the hotness or coldness of a body. Or you can simply say temperature is the average kinetic energy of a body. Okay, so B, use the information from the scales of the thermometers to 1. State which thermometer has the greatest range. Okay, so for me to know which of the 5 thermometer has the greatest range, I'm going to find the difference between the maximum and the minimum range. So I'll start with thermometer A. Thermometer A, it has the maximum of 250 minus 50, which is 200 degrees Celsius. Then B, it has 110 minus negative 10, which is negative times negative, it is positive. So I have 120 degrees Celsius. Then thermometer C, I have 50 minus 0, which is 50 degrees Celsius. Thermometer D, I have 300 minus 100, which is 200. Then thermometer E, I have 45 minus 30, which is 15. Okay, so from the given or from the values I'm just from finding, I can tell that thermometer A and D have the same range, which is the greatest range. So for question B1, you can either say A or D. Both are correct. Then B2, state and explain which thermometer has the greatest sensitivity. So the thermometer with the greatest sensitivity is the one which can measure the lowest temperature, which is thermometer B, because it can measure temperature in negatives. So because it can measure temperature, or it can measure the smallest temperature, Okay, so the thermometer with the greatest sensitivity is thermometer B, because it can measure the smallest temperature. Then the last one, state 2 advantages of a thermocouple thermometer over a liquid ingress thermometer. So for C, what you need to know is that a thermocouple, it has a wide range. What I mean by wide range, it can measure temperature from as low as negative 250 degrees Celsius to somewhere 1500 degrees Celsius. And also durability, okay, it can last longer than a thermometer. Also fast to it can measure high temperature. Can measure a very high temperature and very low temperature. Thank you for watching. Please comment on the video, share the video with others. Don't forget to follow my page. Thank you for the support once again.